Today we are going to walk through Salesforce Sales Cloud. Let me be clear, we are not covering everything the Sales Cloud offers. Instead, our goal is to understand how Salesforce used its platform to build this powerful application. I'll be showing you how key platform components like standard objects, flows, reports, and automations are used to solve real world business problems, specifically using an example company called Global Tech Solutions. Salesforce Sales Cloud is a customer relationship management tool built on the Salesforce platform. It helps businesses manage sales workflows from prospecting to closing. It uses key platform features like standard objects, lightning pages, reports, and automation to enable this. As we explore this, I'll show you how Global Tech Solutions uses these features to manage its sales of IT consulting packages. Let us now explore the pre-configured sales app and try to understand how Global Tech can start leveraging it. In the top left corner of your Salesforce Lightning screen, click the App Launcher. This opens a menu where all available apps are listed. In the App Launcher search bar, type Sales. Click the Sales app from the list. This will open a curated workspace specifically designed for sales users, containing tabs relevant to sales processes. A Salesforce app is a collection of tabs, pages, and business logic grouped for a specific user role or process, like sales or service. The Sales app includes standard sales objects and tools like dashboards, reports, and more. At the top of the screen, you will see tabs like Leads, Accounts, Contacts, Campaigns, Opportunities. These are tabs, each representing Salesforce standard object, which is like a database table for storing business data. Leads show unqualified prospects. Any lead usually contains information like the name of the lead, the company the lead belongs to, and the email ID. Contacts store individuals related to accounts or deals. An account record typically contains the information about the account, like the annual revenue, the industry the account belongs to, the billing address, the shipping address, etc. It also has all the related objects like contacts, opportunities, cases, etc. Opportunities track potential deals. Opportunity usually contains the name of the opportunity, the account to which it belongs to, the close date, the stage where the opportunity is currently in, and the probability of generating revenue. Campaigns are used by marketing to group and measure outreach efforts. I've opened a campaign which is of type webinar and which is going to talk about AI strategy by the global tech company. Campaign has associated campaign members who will be participating in this webinar. Each object is built on Salesforce platform. It comes with predefined set of fields, validation rules, and relationships. They can be extended or customized using Lightning App Builder, page layouts, or automation and reports. This walkthrough introduces users to the Sales app as the workspace and to tabs as navigation shortcuts to Salesforce objects. Objects are the foundation of the Salesforce data model and are enriched by the platform's tools like validation rules, automation, and page layouts. This is a great entry point for understanding how Salesforce translate business processes into digital workflows. Let us now look at key features of Sales Cloud that help global tech manage its sales cycle. Lead and opportunity management help tracking interested prospects and deals. Account and contact management helps managing business clients and stakeholders. Forecasting and reporting helps in predicting revenue and monitoring team performance. Mobile sales helps in accessing Salesforce from mobile during field visits. Collaboration helps sales rep and managers collaborate via chatter and shared activities. Each of these is built using platform features you will soon work with. What is a lead? A lead in Salesforce represents a potential customer, someone who has shown interest in our product or service but hasn't yet been qualified. It contains information like name, company, email, phone number, and source. How are leads acquired? Leads can enter the system through various channels. Web to Lead is a form embedded on our website that automatically creates a lead record in Salesforce when a visitor submits their deals. Sales or marketing users can create leads manually. Using import tools, leads can be uploaded from trade shows, partners, or external CRMs. Integrated platforms like Pardot or Marketing Cloud can auto create and score leads based on engagement. Salesforce allows us to define lead assignment rules that route incoming leads to the right sales reps based on criteria like region, product interest, lead source. For example, leads from Texas should go to a representative A, or leads interested in product X should go to a product specialist, or webinars leads should go to inside sales team. This ensures timely and fair distribution of leads. Salesforce allows you to implement lead scoring based on engagement, demographics, or other metrics. High scoring leads are prioritized when a lead is qualified. When a lead is qualified, it can be converted into account, contact, and opportunity. To track engagement, Salesforce offers activity tracking using tasks, events, and emails and notes. A user fills a contact us form on global tech site via web to lead. The lead gets auto assigned to the sales rep based on the region using assignment rules. A task is auto created for the rep, like call the lead within one business day using automation. The rep logs a call and schedules a follow up meeting using activity management. At Global Tech, the marketing team runs a product webinar campaign. When visitors sign up using the embedded web to lead form on a company website, their details like name, email, company, product interest are automatically captured in Salesforce as new lead records. Assignment rules route webinar leads to the inside sales team. A follow-up task is created for each rep to call within one business day. This setup ensures no leads fall through the cracks and enable instant sales engagement from marketing efforts. Let us walk through a quick demonstration on how to create a web to lead form in Salesforce. First, I log into my Salesforce org and navigate to setup. In the quick find box, I type web. Under marketing section, I select web to lead. From this page, I click the create web to lead form. Salesforce presents the list of available fields that I can include in the form. For this example, I'm selecting first name, last name, email, company, city, country, state, province, and mobile. You can choose any fields relevant to your lead capture process. Once satisfied with the selection, I proceed to generate the form. Salesforce also provides an option to include reCAPTCHA, which helps prevent bots or scripts from submitting spam entries. While I'm skipping it for this demo, enabling reCAPTCHA is recommended for production environments. It requires generating a key pair from Google reCAPTCHA and embedding it into the form. After clicking Generate, Salesforce provides a block of HTML code. This is the actual web form. You can share this code with your web developer who will embed it on your company's website, typically on a contact us page. Now, whenever a visitor fills out the form on your website, Salesforce automatically creates a lead record using the submitted details. This is one of the most efficient ways to capture and convert website visitors into leads, seamlessly integrating your marketing efforts with Salesforce CRM. Assume that 200 fresh leads pour in overnight. Thanks to Salesforce lead assignment rules, Each record is routed instantly to the right salesperson by region, product, or revenue potential. No manual triage at 8 a.m. Your reps start the day already lined up with prospects that fit their territory. A lead assignment rule is simply a set of ordered if then instructions that Salesforce evaluates whenever a new lead is created. One rule can be active at any given time and it contains multiple entries. Salesforce checks those entries from top to bottom. Once a lead meets the first set of criteria, the platform assigns ownership to the user or queue you specify, and if configured, fires an automatic notification email. Automatic assignment delivers several advantages. First, speed. Leads appear in the correct queue the moment they enter Salesforce, so follow up happens while interest is free. Second, fairness and focus. Territory or round robin logic keeps reps from cherry picking while ensuring high value accounts go straight to senior sellers. Third, scalability. Web forms, marketing imports, or API pushes can flood the system without overwhelming an admin because routing is handled by rules instead of people. Finally, clean data equals clean reporting. Dashboards remain trustworthy because ownership is correct from the first minute. Lead assignment rules fire whenever a lead is created through any channel. As long as the assign using active assignment rules flag is present. Web to lead forms invoke the rule automatically. Manual lead entry and data import rules show a checkbox for the user to trigger the rule, and API integrations can pass an assignment rule header tag. A parallel feature exists for support teams in case assignment rules, which route new cases to the proper service queue with the same logic. Let us walk through how to configure lead assignment rules in Salesforce. From the Salesforce setup menu, I type lead assignment and click the lead assignment rules under the results. This opens up the lead assignment rules page where you can create and manage rules that automatically assign incoming leads to specific users or queues. Keep in mind, only one lead assignment rule can be active at any time. In this demo, I already have an active assignment rule, so I'll open that rule. Currently, it contains two rule entries. Now let us create a rule entry. I click New and set the order to 3. In the criteria, I mention if leads country is equal to United Kingdom, I want to assign this lead to an existing queue. You can also associate an email template which automatically sends a notification to the assigned user when they receive a new lead. Once configured, I click on Save. Here is how the assignment flow works. When a new lead is created, Salesforce evaluates the rule entries in order. If the first entry matches, it assigns the lead and stops evaluating further criteria. If not, it moves to the next entry and continues until it finds a match. If no rule matches, the lead is assigned to the user who created the record. This approach ensures that your leads are automatically routed to the right people, improving response time and accountability across your sales team. Salesforce lead management is essential for handling raw prospects before they are ready for sales engagement. At Global Tech, marketing teams capture leads through web to lead forms and import them from events. The system uses lead assignment rules to distribute these leads to the right reps. Reps qualify leads based on interest level and company fit. Once qualified, they are converted, creating opportunities, contacts, and accounts automatically, streamlining the handoff to sales. While powerful, lead management alone doesn't give reps the full picture. Global Tech's reps don't see if a lead has opened 5 marketing emails or attended 2 webinars unless Marketing Cloud is integrated. Similarly, after conversion, the system doesn't track whether the customer raised support tickets or renewed. This disconnect can hurt personalization and follow-up effectiveness. Let us walk through the life cycle of a lead in Salesforce, starting with the lead record we created earlier. I begin by opening the specific lead record. and verifying all the necessary information is available. Each lead follows a defined life cycle, which starts when it is assigned to the sales executive. The sales executive begins engaging with the lead. Once initial contact is made, then update the lead status to working not contacted and mark the related activity as complete. To manage follow-ups and ongoing communication, the sales rep logs activities such as tasks, events, and log a call. For example, if the lead requests a callback the next day at 10 a.m., the rep creates a new task. On the scheduled day, the sales rep completes the task and marks it as completed. If the lead then expresses interest in product demonstration, the rep creates a new event. Once the demo is conducted, the rep marks the event as complete. Through this process, the lead is nurtured systematically. Now, suppose the lead is ready to move forward, the next step is lead conversion. Salesforce provides a built-in convert button on the lead record. Clicking this opens a form that allows the rep to convert the lead to an account, create or associate a contact, create an opportunity. In our case, we already have an account called Fusion Analytics, so we associate it with the existing account. The contact is new, so we create a new contact. We also create a new opportunity called as Fusion Analytics Consulting Package and assign the ownership of the newly created records to the sales rep. After clicking the convert button, Salesforce automatically links the lead to the existing Fusion Analytics account. It closes the lead and makes it invisible. It creates a new contact and it creates a new opportunity. When we navigate to the Fusion Analytics account, the new contact will be listed under the contacts related list, and the opportunity will also be listed under the opportunity related list. This end-to-end process ensures seamless lead tracking, nurturing, and conversion, enabling the sales team to stay aligned and efficient. What is a campaign? A campaign in Salesforce represents a marketing initiative or outbound effort, such as a webinar, email blast, trade show, or digital ad campaign designed to generate interest and attract leads or contacts. Each campaign record in Salesforce can track the type like webinar, conference, social media, start and end dates, budgeted versus actual cost, expected revenue, status, return on investment metrics. Campaigns help global tech centralize all marketing efforts, associate campaign members with specific initiatives. Campaign members are typically leads and contacts. Measure marketing effectiveness, like, for example, how many leads converted, what is the cost per lead, and what is the actual revenue influenced. You can add leads and contacts as campaign members. This allows marketing teams to track engagement levels, segment target lists, for example, all leads from a product launch webinar. Run follow-up activities based on member status, for example, how many attended, how many has a status of no-show, how many responded, etc. When a campaign is linked to opportunities via campaign influence, Salesforce helps track which campaigns helped generate or influence pipeline, the contribution of each campaign to actual revenue. For example, Global Tech runs a webinar campaign for a new AI product. 200 leads register via a web to lead form linked to the campaign. 5 sales reps are assigned leads via assignment rules. After follow-ups, 10 opportunities are created and 4 are closed won. Salesforce tracks the return on investment by comparing revenue to campaign cost and ties influenced opportunities to the campaign. At Global Tech, campaign management is used to organize all marketing initiatives in one place. For example, a product launch webinar is set up as a campaign. Leads who register are added as campaign members with statuses like registered or attended. The marketing team can track how many of these members converted into opportunities. Campaign return on investment is calculated by comparing the campaign's cost and the total revenue influenced. While campaign management centralizes marketing tracking, it is not a full marketing automation tool. At Global Tech, the marketing team still needs marketing clouds to send emails, set up engagement journeys, and analyze performance metrics like open rates or bounce rates. Campaign influence models also require configuration and do not automatically attribute revenue unless set up properly. So let us see how to create a campaign and add this lead that was converted to this campaign or add the existing contacts to the campaign. So for that, I'm going to my org and I'll go to the campaigns tab. So I don't see the new button for campaign. The reason is because I'm not a campaign engineer. So currently I'm not a marketing user. So I'm setting myself as marketing user. I'll go back to the campaigns. I see this new button. So I click on the new button and I give a name to the campaign. So I'm calling this campaign as Q2 AI strategy webinar. So my company is planning a webinar. So, and I want all the new contacts and leads to be part of this webinar. So they get more knowledge on the AI strategy that my company is taking. Now for type, I'm giving it as webinar. I'm making this active. For status, I'm saying planned. For start date, I'm giving today. And for end date, I'll give, say, probably 2 weeks from now. And expected revenue, I'm saying 100,000. And budgeted cost is around 5,000 USD. So what this typically means, so my company is going to set up a webinar and talk about the company's AI strategy, which is planned for a couple of weeks. And the budgeted cost for running this campaign is $5,000. And I'm expecting a revenue of around $100,000 after the campaign is closed. So once I have the campaign, I can go to campaign members and I can add leads as well as contacts to a campaign. So I have two contacts in my system. So I'll go to add contacts and I'm going to add Mayan Desai and Maya Desai, both of them from Fusion to this campaign. And I'm going to send the member status to sent. I can also add existing leads from the system. For example, I have Madhusudan, who is also from Fusion. I want to add him also. So this is a lead not converted to contact yet. Now my webinar has 3 different people and I've sent a request for them to join the webinar. So this is the way I do campaign management in my system. What is an opportunity? An opportunity in Salesforce represents a potential revenue generating deal with a customer or prospect. It tracks the sales process from initial interest to closed won or closed lost. Global Tech uses opportunity management to track all active and historical deals, standardize sales processes across teams, forecast revenue, and measure performance. So the key platform features that are used are standard objects. Opportunities are linked to accounts, contacts, products, and campaigns, enabling a 360-degree view of the deal. Global Tech configures a sales path to guide reps through consistent sales stages like prospecting to qualification to proposal to negotiation to closed lost or won. Each stage includes key fields and guidance to help reps take the right action at the right time. Required fields like estimated close date, deal size, and competitor ensure data completeness and pipeline accuracy. Real-time visibility into open pipeline by stage or region, win-loss ratios, forecast by product line or territory can be achieved using dashboards and reports. Flows and workflow rules automatically alert managers when high-value deals are updated, create follow-up tasks after certain stages, update close dates if inactive for too long. As an example, a rep at Global Tech creates a new opportunity for an enterprise AI software deal worth $250,000. As the opportunity moves to proposal stage, a task is auto-assigned to send the formal quote. When moved to negotiation, a manager receives a notification to assist with pricing. If the deal is marked closed won, the opportunity is linked to a campaign for return on investment tracking and used in quarterly revenue reporting. Salesforce Path is a visual guided tool within Salesforce that helps users track and complete key steps in a business process. It is most commonly used with objects like leads, opportunities, cases, and custom objects, where a record moves through stages defined in a picklist field like stage, status, etc. It is a UI component designed to improve user adoption, process consistency, and data completeness by providing stage-specific guidance, highlighted key fields that users must fill out, optional celebration animations like confetti upon completing final stages. The key components of Salesforce Path include the object and the picklist fields, the guidance for success, which is typically a series of instructions, best practices, tips, or policies relevant to that stage, and an optional celebration animation shown when a record reaches a specific value like closed one. Let us explore how to configure a Salesforce path in Salesforce and understand how it guides sales reps through the opportunity lifecycle. From setup, I search for the term path. Salesforce allows you to create paths on most standard and custom objects. For this demonstration, I will walk you through an existing path I created called for global tech opportunity path, which is associated with the opportunity object. Every path is based on a picklist field. In this case, the stage field on the opportunity object. The stage field includes values like prospecting, qualification, proposal price quote, and so on. For each stage, we can provide detailed guidance for the sales team and highlight key fields they should complete. For example, in the prospecting stage, we instruct the sales representative to identify potential decision makers with the client organization, to create and associate those contacts with the account, to log initial meetings, calls, or emails, and to confirm the customer's business needs and budget, and add any relevant campaign attribution, that is like linking this opportunity to a AI strategy webinar campaign. We also include key fields to capture, like main competitors in the market, the expected amount if the opportunity is won. Each stage includes its own set of actions and fields. In qualification, the rep confirms the lead source and the opportunity type. In proposal and price quote, specific steps and validations are outlined. This structured guidance ensures that the sales process is standardized and no critical steps are missed. Salesforce also allows us to enable celebration animation like digital confetti when an opportunity reaches the closed won stage. This aids a fun, motivational element to the process. Let us now see a sales path in use. I navigate to the Opportunities tab and open the opportunity named Consulting Package. At the prospecting stage, the sales path displays actionable guidance. The rep performs these actions, logging calls, creating contacts, and updating fields, then moves the opportunity to the qualification stage by clicking Mark as current stage. In qualification, the rep selects the lead source as web inquiry and the opportunity type as new customer, then saves the record. As the rep continues, they perform the appropriate actions at each stage until the opportunity reaches the closed stage. At this point, they indicate whether the opportunity is won or lost. The system confirms the status and may display a celebration animation. The sales path is a powerful feature in Salesforce that guides sales reps through each stage of the opportunity lifecycle, enforces process consistency, highlights critical fields, provides stage-specific instructions, boosts motivation through visual feedback. It is an essential tool for ensuring sales success and maintaining pipeline quality. At Global Tech, account management is used to maintain all key information about client companies. Sales reps can view all opportunities, past cases, and active contacts linked to an account. For example, Acme Corp has multiple opportunities tracked across teams and few past support cases, all visible on the account record, offering a 360-degree customer view. Contacts in Salesforce are linked in to accounts and often play key roles in the sales process. At Global Tech, each opportunity includes contacts in roles like decision maker or technical evaluator. Reps log activities like meetings and calls so team members can stay informed. Campaigns also use contact lists for targeting. For example, the Q3 Cloud webinar campaign targeted IT directors from top accounts using filtered contact views. Salesforce reports are real time, customizable lists or summaries of data, like a table or chart built from Salesforce records. Dashboards are visual collections of reports displayed as widgets, allowing you to monitor key metrics at a glance. Salesforce reports and dashboards are built into the platform. Global Tech uses them to monitor KPIs, conversion rates, and forecast revenue. Global Tech uses Salesforce dashboards to monitor active pipeline, win rates, and team performance. Sales managers can drill into dashboards to see which rep is closing the most deals or which stage has the most stalled opportunities. These dashboards support data driven coaching and weekly forecasting meetings. Standard Salesforce reports are useful but limited. At Global Tech, executives want to combine marketing, support, and finance data to get a full customer view, something native reports can't do. Dashboards also don't support AI driven insights like lead conversion probability or churn prediction. For this, Tableau CRM or external BI tools are required. Let us explore how Global Tech Solutions uses Salesforce reports and dashboards to gain real-time visibility into sales and marketing performance. To begin, I navigate to the Dashboards tab and open the dashboard titled Sales and Marketing Adoption Dashboard. This dashboard offers an at-a-glance view of key performance indicators such as number of leads in the past 30 days, the number of opportunities created in the last 30 days, and number of open opportunities in last 365 days, the lead trends by source showing which marketing channels generated the most leads. The dashboard includes a variety of chart types such as bar charts for volume comparison, donut charts to show proportional distributions, additional graphical components that visualize important metrics across the sales funnel. Each component in the dashboard is powered by an underlying Salesforce report. For instance, new leads in the last 30 days is based on a report called DB Adoption Report for New Leads. When I click Edit Report, I enter into the Salesforce Report Builder interface, which offers powerful capabilities. The Filters panel allows me to dynamically adjust the dataset. For example, leads created between May 8th and June 6th. The outline section defines how data is grouped and displayed. For example, grouping leads by account or company name. The column section lets me select specific fields to display, such as lead source, created date, lead owner, and status. The report is configured to show lead creation trends over time, enabling sales leadership to assess performance across different teams, geographies, or campaigns. The dashboard aggregates multiple such reports to provide centralized visual summary of pipeline activity. This empowers leadership to monitor the efficiency of marketing campaigns, track lead generation and sales conversion rates, identify top performing lead sources, make data driven decisions with confidence. In short, Salesforce dashboards provide a real time actionable view of your business. They can be customized for each role, like sales reps, managers, executives, ensuring the right data reaches the right people at the right time. Salesforce reporting engine combined with dashboards transforms raw data into strategic insights. Whether you are tracking KPIs, evaluating campaign success, or monitoring sales performance. These tools are essential for managing growth and driving accountability across the organization. Sales Cloud integrates seamlessly with Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Tableau. At Global Tech, this creates a unified customer experience from marketing to sales to support. Let us walk through a practical integration scenario with Salesforce, highlighting how Sales Cloud and Service Cloud work seamlessly together at Global Tech. In this demo, my Salesforce org includes Sales Cloud and Service Cloud as a primary clouds. There is no integration with external platforms like Tableau or CPQ at this time. However, even within this Salesforce ecosystem, there is powerful out-of-the-box integration that offers a 360-degree view of the customer. Assume that Fusion Analytics, a client of Global Tech, is in the process of hiring a technical architect from Global Tech. While onboarding this new resource, Fusion Analytics encounters an issue and needs support. They call the support rep at Global Tech and report about this issue. The support rep navigates to the account record. This account record acts as a central hub, consolidating both sales and service activities. Under the related record section of this account, the support rep selects cases and clicks on New button. He enters the information like contact, the subject, description. Then they also select the type and case origin. After completing the details, the support rep saves the record and a case is created in Service Cloud. Once the case is logged, it becomes visible to the support engineering team assigned to the appropriate queue. The support team begins triaging the issue, updating the case status, and working towards resolution. This use case demonstrates the native integration between Salesforce, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. Sales Cloud data like opportunities, contacts, and accounts, and Service Cloud data like cases and support interactions are all tied to a single account record, Fusion Analytics. This unified data model enables all stakeholders like sales reps, service agents, and customer success teams to operate from a single source of truth, resulting in better collaboration, faster issue resolution, stronger customer relationships, improved onboarding experience. Salesforce built-in integration between Sales Cloud and Service Cloud provides Global Tech with a complete customer lifecycle view from initial sale to post-sale support. Even without third-party tools, this robust architecture enables organizations to deliver seamless, personalized, and responsive service all within the same platform. Sales Cloud is highly customizable. Global Tech uses custom layouts for regions and automation flows to assign leads. Everything is done via platform features. No extra coding is needed. Let us explore how Global Tech leverages Salesforce automation to improve sales process efficiency by using the no-code tool called Flow within the Sales Cloud platform. Global Tech has a clear requirement. Whenever an opportunity stage is changed, a task should be automatically created to prompt follow-up actions. This ensures sales reps remain proactive and no opportunity falls through the cracks during crucial pipeline transitions. To meet this requirement, I created a record triggered flow called Create Task on Stage Change. This record triggered flow is executed whenever an opportunity record is created or updated and when the stage changes to some other value. Whenever this entry criteria is met, it will perform a create records action and it will create a task with a bunch of field values. For this demonstration, I set the due date for the task that is created to 7 days from now. I have assigned this task to the current opportunity owner and I have related this task to the opportunity record that triggered this flow. Now let us see a live demonstration of this flow. So I'm going back to opportunities and I'm opening an opportunity, I'm cloning it so that I get a new opportunity, making it as prospecting and saving it. Now I have a new opportunity. So I'm changing the stage from prospecting to qualification and clicking this mark as current stage. So once the stage is changed, You will notice that an activity or a task is automatically created which has all the values that I have set. It is assigned to the current opportunity owner. It is set with a normal priority with a due date 7 days from now, and it is related to the opportunity that I am working on right now. The real world examples shown on this slide show how Sales Cloud, when configured properly, transforms sales operations. Salesforce offers flexible pricing. You can test all features we explored today using a free developer org. So, to summarize or recap what we discussed till now, Salesforce Sales Cloud is a powerful CRM solution designed to manage the entire sales lifecycle from lead generation to opportunity closure. In this session, we focused on how Sales Cloud utilizes core Salesforce platform features like standard and custom objects, path and automation tools, assignment rules, flows and dashboards, platform integration with other Salesforce clouds. We explored use cases at global take, including lead management, opportunity tracking, campaign management, account and contact management, reports and dashboards. This was not a full coverage of Sales Cloud capabilities. We did not cover features like forecasting, quotation management, territory management, or contract lifecycle management. The goal was to illustrate how Salesforce platform enables Sales Cloud functionality to solve real-world business problems.